Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to do the publication and how we can create two different variants using the publications. So I have created one L bracket with one hole at this corner. So I want another variant with the same dimensions with the two holes. So in this scenario, no need to create a duplicated part. I'll create only one part and I'll create the publication and I'll use the same part to create one more hole here so that it will be easy to update the CAD. So I have created this L bracket with hole, just I'm renaming it to variant variant 1 with one hole. So I have created the body, the name, tools, publication. So my part publication was created. I'm going to create one more part, file new, variant 2. So now I'm going to pull this. Whenever pasting the publication, I need to do the paste special as a result with link so that your publication was created with this peace symbol. So here I can create my one more circle sketch. So I have created one more hole using this part. So now I'm going to save these two parts into my folder. So now I have created two different parts with the same profile. So whenever I update this history, automatically it will get updated there also. Just I want to, if I changing this height to 80 mm, so if I open the variant 2, so here also it will ask for update symbol if P with the yellow means it is asking for update. Once I updated, my profile got updated. So the session is opened. In this scenario, it will have the link. If you close this session and if you open once again, this link will get broken. So once again, you need to link this part. For avoiding that, we need to create the TOC file. TOC is nothing but linking these two parts in under one assembly. So just I'm going to create one more assembly. I'm going to put this two variants into one single file, one product file, single file, so that the link won't get broken. So here you need to, here it is not having the linking symbol. So if I give contextual linking, it is not taking. So why? Because we have created this link not under the product. So whenever you are going to do this publication, keep in mind you need to create one more separate product so that your part will be linked together. Just copy. Once again you need to click the product and paste under special. So once again I'm just creating the same operation. I'm going to do it on. So this body we need to remove. If you see here, that chain kind of link will be there, so that you can able to find whether this part is linked or not. So once again I'm going to create one hole. So this hole was created. So it has taken the line from so my variant 2 also saved, created, and I'm going to save this product with to this variant 1 and variant 2, so that whenever I want to update, I have to open this product and I will update the variant 1 part. Automatically variant 2 part will get updated. File, save management. If I give propagate directory, all the parts linked to this product will save under the same location. Just give save. So this is how you need to do the publications. As per your requirement, you can create a number of publications. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, add your comments,